Annie Prince. I'm from Carroll Valley. I'm with my sisters, and we came to see everybody. So this is my first time at KDay, and it is amazing. Love it. We'll definitely be back next year. Thank you.
Local is good. I came to KDay. I must say I'm very impressed with the vibe. Everyone is so friendly. I met so many people. It's actually such a vibe, the makeup, except the sunburn and the rain, but we're loving it. We're in the vibes. We're enjoying ourselves. Came here for Kurt Darren, early B and Nasty C. Waiting for Youngster.
Oh, I am so here to see Youngster. I am waiting in anticipation for Youngster.
Okay, and is this your first KDay? How do you feel about it?
Absolutely, it's my first one, and like, I'll be back.
And have you enjoyed the day so far?
So far, I even stayed during the thunderstorms because I'm waiting in anticipation for Youngster.
Okay, no problem. And tell us a little bit more about your experience here today.
It's been amazing. Like the vibe it's like incredible. Like you get to know people. I saw people that I haven't seen in like 20 years. I met them here. It's been just an awesome experience.